Ever received Google Form emails with dates in the wrong format? Maybe it is showing month, date, year. When you prefer date, month, year, no worries. In this video, I'll show you how to change the date format in Google Forms easily. To start, open your Google Form. Click on the Add-on menu and select Form Settings. From the Options menu, here you will find the options to change the default time zone and specify a custom date and time format for notification emails. Google Forms allows Oracle date and time patterns, allowing you to format dates and exactly how you want. For example, year, month, date, HHMMA, 2024 119 11.34 p.m. That's example. Or month, date, year, January 19, 2024. Triple E D M M M Y Y Y, Thursday 19 Jan 2024. That is all example given. Just remember, M is for months while M is for minutes. The capital M is for months while small m is for minutes. Small h is for 12 hours clock while capital H is for 24 hours time. If the format is DD, simple and small, single digit dates will show as 09 instead of 9. And that is it. With a few clicks, you can ensure your Google Form emails display dates in your preferred format. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.